You need to hear this if you're a bird lover. Ever wondered who's the fastest in the sky? Let's find out. Number 5. The gray-headed albatross. This bird cruises at 79 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Number 4. The spur-winged goose, hitting speeds of up to 88 miles per hour. This bird is a real jet setter. Number 3. The frigate bird, with a top speed of 95 miles per hour. It's like a missile in the sky. Number 2. The white-throated needletail, a jaw-dropping 105 miles per hour. Blink and you'll miss it. And finally, the champion of speed, the peregrine falcon. It dives at an incredible 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula 1 car. These birds aren't just fast, they're the ultimate aerial athletes. So next time you look up, remember the speed demons of the sky. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing bird facts.